Guys, this is LiveGood coffee and this is a protein shake. I know this they wrote weight loss. You can help. I'm trying to lose my weight. You can see I'm on my treadmill and I just finished with my treadmill and I was thinking of let me go and take my protein shake with my I'll be using protein shake with a smoothie. But I have not been using this because I am not a coffee person. I love sweet, very sweet things. So I was thinking, what's the best way to use this coffee? It just occurred to me this morning. Now why not mix protein shake with coffee? So I'm going to give that a shot so it becomes like my milk. I will give you the taste I want. I love sweet things. I love this. I love sweet things. So this is a coffee, this is a protein shake. I'm making both. When I'm making both, I will do a video so you see and I will show you how the taste looks like. Now I've been using ageless. I've been using ageless for my face. I can see my face is getting, it's tightening, you know, it's getting, I'm enjoying the look, ageless, I want to look young. I actually bought instant youth as well, but instant youth is mainly for wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, I'm not yet 50 yet. I'm 50 next year, no, I'm not a baby again. So I do not have wrinkles, so I'm giving one of my mummies that have wrinkles. Let us even try. I want to see the wrinkles disappearing, but I use ageless. So if you're a lady, I think ageless is actually for everybody, but I am using ageless. If you want to look youthful, you want to look like a baby, you want to look younger than your age, then ageless is for you. Live good. Indeed, we are living good. We are having both wealth and health. That's how life should be, because if you have all the money in the world and you are not healthy, you are not wealthy. So I love live good. I am living good.